this is my first video, and I will try to register my IDM uh, in lifetime. So how do I do that? So I will show you. This is my IDM. This is not registered. Okay, right now. So I will go to the Google Chrome and search IDM trial reset. I don't know if it's work or not. I will try. So go to the website and click here. You can get the latest version. Click here and what? Okay, so I wanna download. Okay, so I will click here and I don't know what happened. Okay, no worries. Download. Okay, it's start. Okay, I'll just download it and I will extract here so that this is chat about this tool. Check the update, help, register, and trial reset. Okay, I wanna click register IDM now because I wanna register my IDM in lifetime so that. Okay, so I will click here and no, I think click here and trial reset. Okay, no worry, I will click OK. I don't know what happened after clicking the button, but I was clicked. Okay, so see what happened. Is waiting. Item is registered now. Okay, so I will check it out. Not check it out right now. First thing first, I will reset my computer. So I will cut it my CapCut and the other. Hey guys, I'm back after resetting my computer. So I will check IDM registered is worked or not. So closed and click here, and what happened there? Real number started with it's registered. I want to check again. Item is registered. Oh no, it's work, guys, it's work. So you need to download your IDM used to lifetime, so you can watch my video and you will like my video. It is work for you, so please click the subscribe button and click the like button. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos.